Okay, here we are back to the second part, and I think this will go a lot quicker. So after reading some of the articles, I have two pieces of information that I'd like to add to the bibliography. Keep in mind, you just got to add a couple of sentences this week. It doesn't have to be a huge thing, but everybody should add one or two sentences. But that means you have to back them up with sources. So I read on that article that we just had open from the engineering and or electrical and computer engineering department that Dr. Searles earned his BS in math. I wrote it down in math and physics from Morehouse College. And then he earned his PhD in applied physics from Rice University. So I'm just going to add those couple of simple sentences and move along or get our biography moved along one sentence at a time. So let me do a screen share. We'll get back over there to our Wikipedia site. And this time, instead of clicking, well, actually, I'm going to open both. So I'm going to open the bibliography page, but then I'm going to go back and open the sandbox draft because that's where you're going to actually start writing. And I already have this page still open. And so what I'm looking at is this section here, and it talks about his employment and all that. And I'll pull all of that out as we go along. And there's lots of the sources have information about that. But I'm looking for the applied physics and the math and physics from Morehouse College. So let's put that in. So over here on your sandbox page, this is the draft version of what will end up being published. I've already added a couple of sentences based on his father's obituary and that article about marriage. And so that's in here. I've already got it cited. Let's see, I'm going to try something. I'm wondering if I put my cursor there. Okay, it looks like what I have to do, this is why I wanted to open the bibliography. It looks like what I have to do is come over here and copy. This is his dad's obituary. And that's where I got the information about the family. I'll have to find out a little more information if there's an easier way to just add that. I'll create that. Here it is, insert. And so now I've got the information about his family. I've got the information about when he got married. So now let's add a sentence. Searles graduated from Morehouse College with a BS degree in mathematics and physics. He graduated, he earned his PhD from Rice University in applied physics. Okay, so now let's cite that. So I can come over here and I can either grab the link down here, but because I have the page already open, I'm going to just grab the link right there. So let's go to cite, put in my link, hit create. There's my citation, insert, and boom. It's easy as that. And so just like we did on the bibliography page, or the biography page, bibliography page, hit publish, give a description, added information about his degrees. Now, I still want to go find the dates of those degrees and add those in, but for right now, I'm putting what I got. Publish changes. That's all there is to it. You edit it, you source it, you publish it. And don't worry about it being in perfect grammar. Like, I'm pretty sure this isn't exactly the way it should be. But what I'm doing right now is getting the information in, and then we go through the editing stage. You know, of course, you want to try to make it unbiased. You know, you want things spelled right if you can. You know, try to get it as close as possible, but not to the point of obsessing and taking forever. So see if you can get a couple of sentences in. Everybody should add a few things. And the goal for that is to be done by Sunday. So if everybody adds a couple of sentences, you probably have a paragraph, maybe even two paragraphs of information on this person that you're looking for. And that is a really, really good start.